welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this corner vegetable bin. Now, a couple of years ago, I did build another vegetable bin, which worked great until we had shelf space or counter space. But in our new home, we don't have much of either, but we do have floor space, so that's where it ended up. Plus, I had bowls of fruits and tomatoes just taking up precious counter space, which is why I decided to build this. I have the link for the printable plans for this corner vegetable bin in the description below. Now let's build. I started by cutting down plywood to the sizes I needed. There are 2 long sides, 3 bin bottoms and 1 top. Now on the bin bottoms, mark 4 3/4 from the 2 corners and mark the cut line. For the top, I did the same, but at 1.5 inches from the 2 corners. I cut these down using a circular saw. Now for the angled bin sides, I used a 1x6 board. I started with 1.5 inches from a corner and went 7.5 inches down and joined these 2 points, and this was the cut line. I repeated this after leaving 3.5 inches where the bin slats will go. It can get a little bit complicated, so be sure to grab those plans that show you exactly how to do this. Once I had the 2 side 1x6 boards marked, I cut them out with a jigsaw. Time to assemble. Start by joining the large plywood pieces together using wood glue and finish nails. Then measure and mark the location of the bin bottoms. These are 11 inches from each other. So join the shelf bases to their location using wood glue and finish nails. Next, add the bin sides using wood glue and finish nails. Now for the slats in the front, I beveled a 1x4 board and then cut off 1/4 inch, giving it a profile that looks like this. Then I simply attached it to the front using wood glue and finish nails. I added edge banding to the exposed plywood edges. To finish it off, I used Makeup Brand Co.'s finishing oil with wax. It is no VOC and food safe. That's it. Now all my veggies are going to be off the floor and neatly arranged in this vertical storage bin. I hope you enjoyed this project. It is a great project to make using scrap wood too. And be sure to subscribe to my channel to catch all the videos. Here are a few videos I think you will enjoy. Bye!